just go back and pick up leza zinto and into angahlangana nayo yo angena amanzi emsini fana kithi angazi nokuthi ngayichaza ngithini like into enzeke like mawufika cabanga like yo kunemoto ongayazi epacking yakho uyangena uyavula mawuthi ungene lounge uthole kunamaglass kunamawine kumnandi uzokhala ama sound ongawajwayele vele uye kuphi ngoba ama USB wami bekahlala kakhulu ku laptop bag yami and leyo laptop bag yami bekubhese ekamereni la engilala khona nomuntu bangithi ngiyavula lo mnyango kwaba yisisiphithiphithi nanku umuntu akagqokile umuntu bazenzela ubumnandi not even nokuthi bayofuna ihotel cabanga umuntu embedeni wakho phakathi kwengubo zakho uzubona ukuthi umuntu uyadelela and uyazi kwaba nesiphithiphithi into yangihlula ngoba ungibona nje ngisihambela ngenduku abanye bathi ngina 3 legs abanye
ya asazi imali
nani igama lami ukwazi makasithola isibongo kahle namhlanje we just here ukuthi sizokhuluma ngalento yangivelela something that happened to me yabona in just a few years just after COVID-19 like just before COVID-19 so kahle into bengisayisho bafu ukuthi le case lami bangivulela case for what they call a common assault and the common assault siyazi ukuthi thina into engango fine wo 250 rand and bangitshela ngendaba zo intimidation kuyikuthi ngithe mangifika la engihlala khona ngathola lo ebengimbiza ngomaqondana wami lo ebengimkhethile intombi isihleliwe kuzintombi ezingu 70 billion ngakhetha yena wavele wathi soba usofa sihlahlane wami kanti kuyena ozobe phuthele spam lesesizongisusa la singidabulisa amafu kodwa yeah bengisasho like ukuthi mfethu because on the day it was December mhla ka 1 nge World AIDS Day and bekunini bekuyi 2017 yeah because kwenze ukuthi ongakuthi like mina ngisebenza kakhulu as an artist manager ngenza ne PR nokuthi ngase ngiyalibala some of my works like ama USB wami ngacabanga ukuthi no like let me just go back and pick up leza zinto and into angahlangana nayo yo angena amanzi emsini fana kithi angazi nokuthi ngayichaza ngithini like into enzeke like mawufika cabanga like yo kunemoto ongayazi epacking yakho uyangena uyavula mawuthi ungene lounge uthole kunamaglass kunamawine kumnandi uzokhala ama sound ongawajwayele vele uye kuphi ngoba ama USB wami bekahlala kakhulu ku laptop bag yami and leyo laptop bag yami bekubhese ekamereni la engilala khona nomuntu bangithi ngiyavula lo mnyango kwaba yisisiphithiphithi nanku umuntu akagqokile umuntu bazenzela ubumnandi not even nokuthi bayofuna ihotel cabanga umuntu embedeni wakho phakathi kwengubo zakho uzubona ukuthi umuntu uyadelela and uyazi kwaba nesiphithiphithi into yangihlula ngoba ungibona nje ngisihambela ngenduku abanye bathi ngina 3 legs abanye bangibiza ngeJovenator bathi iTerminator yomzansi yabona ngikwazi ukuyihambela kahle I need ukuthi ngibe ne8 uhamba so in the way like yonke into yenzeka ngakhona isiphithiphithi esenzekalayo ukuthi ngize ngikwazi ukuthi ngoba into engikhumbulayo kuzama kubamba lo onguye enginesivumelwane naye lo enguye ngamkhethayo lo engambiza ngomaqondana wami yo cabanga ukuthi lo muntu ebusy yiyo lama idea ewesho ukuthi kahle bathi daludoma abantu ba busy next thing ngiyazama ukuthi ngiunderstand kwenzakalani kuba sisiphithiphithi kuba nokuphushana abantu sebaphuma bebaleka bengaqokile ngalandela emuva ukuthi ngicede ukuwa ngazama ukuvuka ngathi ngiyalandela wangena lana kwi parking lot yikho kuza kwe security seyifika seyibuza ukuthi we Jobe kwenzakalani mfowethu ithi angena amanzi endlini athi yo so lamjida yikho ukufonela kwakhe amaphoyisa then waqala ngokufonela i-backup ye-security company ye-security company yafonela iveni lokucala iveni lokucala labiza iveni lesibili kwaba namaveni ayi-2 ne-security company manje lo wesilisa uthe abona kungena imoto ye-security company yena wavela wathola ithuba lokuthabaleka kumazi ukuthi washona phe engaqokile phakathi kobusuku ngashiyeka nalo wami lona uyazi ukuthi like angeke ukhethe amagama mawukwatile and angeke wazi ukuthi uzowenzani yakhumbula besisakhuluma ukuthi before something happens to you uyabuhlezi uneplan ukuthi uzawenza kanjani kodwa when it happens to you yonke into just changes yabona you become something else like you will never know ukuthi who you are until you meet some other things and nami inhlanhla nje azange ngitholi like ngikwazi ukuthi ngimfikelele ngoba yebo ngazama ukumlanda bangiqanda obviously nakho futhi yena iyakwazi ukugijima iyakwazi ukubaleka mina namanje ngisahluleka nokugoba inyawo lami njalo igobeki ngoba inyawo lami lika right li short kunelika left ngo 8 cm so yikho noma masifike enkantolo bathi wangibamba wangilahla phansi wangihama wangihlalela ngamadolo ilo yami yabuza into ewani uzokuphakamisa kanjani umuntu ohluleka nokuhamba uzokuhlalela kanjani ngamadolo mawuthi uzokuhlalela ngamadolo kusho ukuthi amadolo bekagobekile uzowagoba kanjani phezulu kwakho kodwa engakwazi ukusukuma njengazange abambelele somewhere ukuthi kahle kusho ukuthi mina angazi mhlawumbe ngaba namandla angeziwe o ngaba ne something ngaze wabuza futhi if lo muntu bekayithune lento wena uthi uyenzile ubezolimala bezozilimaza in the act but nothing of that sort athi wangibamba wangihama ngaze ngasizwa yilo wesilisa lo onguyobaleke naye ayibuza ukuthi kanjalo yo ngasho nje ukuthi yabe baqinisile ukuthi umuntu yakujikela njengotshwala esiswini namhlanje bengakaze mina ngaba ne-criminal record or ngibe nento ehlangene namaphoyisa nomuntu ehlangene ne-court bekuhlula nje even ama-parking ticket kuhlula nama-ticket we-speed mfethu bengakaze yebo sezintwana sike samosha this and that kodwa nothing out of the ordinary uyazi ukuthi bathi boys will always be boys but the first time lapho engahamba khona kwavula idokodo it was because of a woman lo engamtshela ukuthi ngiyamthanda amfana uthando leyisilima ithando linamanga kodwa la ngathola nge-2011 bekumhla ka-18 March 2011 round about 8:30 yeah between Ian Smart and Gordon besuka lana eRandburg sibhekise Midrand ungakuthi sithe like lemawula ngase by School of Design kune soccer fraternity lapho kudlalwa khona isoccer besidlala iBusiness Corporate League nabangani bami ngoba besiba ngu4 on the day of it masuka lapho sithe masifika on the robot for Ian Smart and Gordon we were in a Ford Bantam and were hit from behind by a Land Cruiser lo mjida like besiba ngo2 eback then like intwana beziphambili intwana yami nentwana yale out bebahleli phambili intwana yami bekuyena beyidrive mina bengihleli ne-out yami eback kwe-truck yabo kwe-back kwe-back then sashayiswa i-Land Cruiser from behind kuyikuthi irobot livalile silindile ukuthi livule lo muntu mayesho kula thing kula statement sakhe wathi wahlulwa ngama-brick and was shy. I think the speed bebathi 140 kilometers an hour simile wabela wasidudula endleleni kwaba ukuthi lo mjide bengihleli naye yena waflya necanopy mina yangicrasha ngaphakathi yabona ngoba bengiphuka isandla ngaphuka umlenze like inyawo lami lika right laphuka kayi2. I've got what they call ifibula bypass lana ngine nail from my knee all the way to my hip, and I was in a coma for like close to 3 months. There was a time crash up where they actually had asked the family ukuthi should they switch off the life support system. Then like ifamily I choose ukuthi no, asiye kuNkulunkulu ayenza umsebenzi wakhe. And they always say maybe God has a plan for you. I didn't know ukuthi mhlawumbe that plan means more pain. You understand? Sometimes nokuzibuza ukuthi ngoneni kangaka uNkulunkulu wami. Did I commit a sin more than Adam no Eve? Yikubona even nenkondlo yami mangibuza ukuthi isono singaphezulu ka Adam no Eve. Yini le ngiyenzile ngize ngithola i-suffering engaka ngoba like I'll be honest with you, it was the accident, and then after the accident kwaba ne hijacking incident like I was telling you about, and I've got a scar to show for it. I always tell people my body is the roadmap of pain. You understand? I-pain isengathi ngiyayazi sengazi nangeka sengazi ngibhalele nencwadi. Angeke ukuthi ungayijwayela, like to be honest mfowethu, we will be lying to one another. Yazi thina singabantu siyathanda ukuthi siziqinise sizenza abo Superman. And sorry, you couldn't realize something. Like ukuziqinisa ne ikubangele inkinga ezibhaya. Like mina, I now even suffer from hypertension, which is like a severe headache condition which comes with high blood pressure as well. I remember the first day in a figure like here in jail, MOTP. I was actually diagnosed by team. My blood pressure is like 200 and some, and I was literally shaking. They had to go to bang zameli plan bang 3P or something. You understand? Yazi icala leli kohamba kanjani? Laqala 2017. La bayoliqeda 2018. Kwahlala u2019 2020. Mase kungena isikhathi seCovid naba abantu sebaqala phansi sokunama additional charge bangufuna ngayibuza ukuthi the timing, why specifically the timing. Lo muntu usebenza kwi-entertainment, so he is bound to be financially crippled. Akekho as financially powerful as he would have liked to be, understand? And okwamanje kushuthi bahamba bayohlala phansi bangiplanele ukuthi how they are going to do the comeback. Yabona? So iscore sagcina si1-1. Although ngabuya back nami manje iscore sirida 2-1. Kodwa ngisalinde ukuthi ngiyebamba u6-1 no 10-1.
Manje kwakuminyaka emingaki?
Ngoba bangigaya only 20 months.
20 months.
Yes. Yes. Which is like 1 year 8 months. Ngoba le statement wasikhulumayo lo muntu wathi ngizoyiqeda le mali yakho. Le kuhlanyisayo akwenza udelele kangaka. Ngabayitshela mina ukuthi no, ningenza noma yini, ngizimisele. Like mina bafethu bangithi nickname, my nickname bangibiza ngeDelakofu. Yep. Awuthi iDelakofu elihamba lidelela or anything ohamba esukelana nabantu, kodwa umuntu okwazi kuyimela indaba yakhe. Ngikubona ngihlezi la eCouchini namhlanje ngoba ngizokhuluma istory sami. Hayi ukuthi ngizokhuluma kabi ngomunye umuntu or ngizofuna ukucikela omunye umuntu phansi or ngizofuna ukuzenza ngcono ngomunye umuntu. Ngizokhuluma mina ngesehlakalo esingivelele. ngizokhuluma mina ngenhlungu like the pain I went through, and more than anything else ngiyafisa ukuthi they say okuhlula amadoda kabiko, a problem shared is a problem solved. Nami ngifuna ukukhuthaza amajidi ukuthi guys, instead of boiling inside, instead of taking your own life, because uma ungathatha ukubheka ne, like they say South Africa is ranked about in the top 10 of the highest suicide rates la eMzansi, male suicide rates. There are more men who take their lives in this country more than there are women. And amajita basuke bahlula ukuthi bazawukhuluma nobani, bazawutshela abani, because uma ungakhuluma istory sakho, I know kwabanye abantu senjika inhlekisa bathi wena thula bangidlela umfazi awusindoda yalutho, yabo subukeka ngathi usislim. I understand, but at the end of the day my aim is ukuthi bafowethu asibambaneni ngezandla, asondelaneni, asithandazeni sonke, asikhulumeni into le iyabona, asikhulumeni, let's talk about the pain, you understand, and let's do something about the pain. Remember Kuku generation, me I'm a father of 2 boys, you understand, and my boys will grow up one day. Nabo sebengathola isehlakalo siso. So what do? You have to teach now ngestory sakho. Khona kukho iza kukho lula nokuthi ngihlale la. So ngiyazibuza ukuthi abanye abantu bazongithatha kanjani ukuthi lo aka umiya kuyahlanya, yazi abantu bathi abanye yogcina so yi-topic abantu baphuze ngawe, bahlekise ngawe, ube isihlaya la kuwe, ube yi-comedy. Like, I'll be honest with you, even like the first day, I was arrested, ne?
Yes.
I didn't even have to be arrested. I went and after lento yami yenzeka, because the cops, they asked me ukuthi ngingalali singahlali sonke nalomuntu, yabona, ngavaya ngabuya ekseni ngazokoleka, bangikhapha futhi ukuzokoleka what my staff, you understand, but no, take a break, take a breathe. To be honest, being stress esbaya, and I had to go and stay with my late friend who's now late. He actually passed about a couple of months after the whole incident, you understand, and yena bekahlala eJemiston, mina ukuthi ngihlala eCaptain Park. So like yabona, when I got there, I was shaking, like I didn't know what to think and I didn't know what to do, and they had to go to bamtshela not to let ukuthi angamvumeli ukuthi ngibe out of his sight, you understand. And the next thing uyazi thina amajita into esicabangayo ukuthi shit ngifike ngivula ifridge, maybe lento yebo it's a temporary measure, kodwa sometimes you need a measure. Just sometimes yebo yona it's not something ongayiqhenya ngayo, kodwa at times yazi mfethu uyawathoba amanxeba, and kwaba yilento ukuthi ngabshaya kancane, yebo baze bangithathela nefoni yami ukuthi ungafoni because uzogcina wenza ama-other ma ungachubeka uphethe ifoni ngapha uphuza ngapha une stress, and like wangikada wenza sure ukuthi like angenzi something drastic, yabona, and I had to call it off. Like I was supposed to go and work that same night, I had to call it off nje kuphela. Kwangithatha isikhathi, I had to call so many things off, and I had to go, but I had to go under the radar ngendlela abathanda ukuyibeka ngakhona, yabona. And next thing, boom, sengivela kwenye newspaper in a Daily Sun, called the cops if you see this man. Cabanga, so ngoba bangithola ocingweni angitholakala indawo, so ngifaka kwenye newspaper called, and then like, so the simplest question abayibuza abantu betweet, lo bhuti wenzeni? No, is wanted in connection with the domestic dispute. Sharp, he's alleged, or is he been convicted? No, he's alleged. But he called the cops if you see this man. Tupac uvukile, uTupac sekhona yini la eMzansi. Babuza abantu ukuthi kunabantu abarobhayo, kunabantu abadlongelayo, kunabantu abantshontshayo. sihlezi nje every day sifunda ngama cash in heist, sifunda ngalokho, sifunda ngama murder. Kodwa namhlanje libuye nizofaka lo bhuti la enewspapeni nihluleke ukuthatha labadlwenguli nalaba libafake nisikhombisa ubuso babo. Yini kahle kahle ngalo bhuti? What don't you want? What do you hate so much about this guy? What has he done that is bigger than all these guys have done? And you know the most painful part is umuntu azokubhalela assault engena ne J88 form. You know the J88 form which you fill in ukuthi usho ukuthi unamanqeba limele kuphi. Lo muntu didn't even have to fill a J88 form because it's a common assault. So this person doesn't even have injuries or nothing to show for it. Only umlomo kuphela nama crocodile tears. So like we're looking at a system whereby when a woman talks, the guy is automatically guilty. So and that's when I referred to encwadini yami into esibiza nge-toxic femininity. Ukuthi they behave like a damsel in distress so as to manipulate you with their emotions. And trust me, not all women are the same. Yes. And ever since I came out with the story, most of the support I've been getting from women. And most of the women who have been giving me support, they're actually women who have sons. And I've been like, babakhona my sister abaya, and not to say all women are bad. Into bengizama we point out is that in as much as we have got bad men, we have got bad women. So we're going back to the story afterwards as Lento Yaqala, like I said, in 2017. I appeared in court for the first time. And guess what? I was given free bail. Not even a bail, not even bangcela 1 rand, no more 1. Mahala babuzuguti. What do you have against this guy that, like you guys, if it's a finder mission, and you seem to have this guy and you want him by his and lapho bangidedela nge free bail, and not even a day was I ever late in court. Not even a day I ever skipped court. I was always there for it. Utholithi bakupostpone kayi-3 ngevikeli 1. So that means you're losing money. On top of that, the situation is bad. It's COVID-19 for it. Inyuku ayikho. Kodwa still you have to go and spend uyohlala ecourt, uhlalela ubala nje, uhlalela ukuthi abantu bafike bakupostpone. And bayenze by all means to frustrate me. You understand? Ubona ukuthi lena is to frustrate me to make a mistake. Ukuthi uma ngayenza mistake siya capitalize kuleyo mistake. You understand? And even the line of questioning and the line of you know, like it was so like, even the way my lawyer was treated, no, it was like it was appalling. Ukuthi afike to the extent of as a threatened issue and a contempt of court just for trying to defend me and to defend my rights. And after having this case, Yabona, the first time it went in, the first magistrate understood and he knew his job. The second time, say Qala Phansi 2021, yakhumbula Tupac Maet, it's me against the world. Exactly. That was me against the world. Yeah, it was me against the world, baby. That's what I want to say. Like, mfethu, like, ubone, even umuntu, you know the most craziest question that I was asked in court? Ngingene, ngigqoke kahle. Uyazi thina siyazithanda singabantu, like mangumuntu usebenza, you should show that you are working. Yeah. You understand? It's not about what you tell the people, it's about how you present yourself. So Nami, I was looking presentable as usual. I dressed nice, ngifaka ijean kahle, ngaze ngafaka ne blazer. Like you see, even when I came through, I always put on a blazer, but I didn't tuck in my shirt. And the same question I'm asked, why didn't you tuck in your shirt? Why do you come to court wearing earrings? I'm like, magistrate, like seriously? Kunabantu abagqoka abo short nama t-shirt kodwa ubuzosukelana nami ukuthi why ngingathakhanga ini shirt lami, why ngibuya ngifaka ama earrings ngendoda. so ngayibuza ukuthi like really are we in court or like vele Grand Sharp sizogcwaliselana. Ngiyibuza ukuthi ngathi okay it's fine. Yabona kunengoma ehlezi inspire like engithanda ukuyidlala during the time. Yabona Maethu Sifiso ulungile baba. Lonke lento eyenzeka la kimi kulungile makuyikuthi intando yakho. Nami ngasinikele enkosini like yeah there were difficult days mfana kithi whereby all you just want is ukuthi into ezokushaya kunokhe out ulale. Yeah, there was a stage bese mfeel ukuthi yeah maybe I'm abusing the drinks but there's a stage when I think they helped me in a certain way yabona. But chiki let us go back now. Then next thing I'm convicted. When she went on stage, the usual one, I even told my lawyer before my ex-wife took the stage. Uzokhala. What? But Uzokhala, watch the drama, watch the acting. And the craziest thing, Kabang, uthola umuntu embhedeni wakho, and the same guy is made a state witness. Lo, yeah. The guy oyi-security onguye owayekhona on the night akasatholakali ukuthi abuye azokhuluma kwelakhe version. Yeah. So yonke into beyihleliwe be-orchestrated ukuthi hayi sure. Nakanye next thing mfowethu kuthiwe mina ngi-arrogant ngiyadelela even nangewe engiphendula ngakhona I'm even wasting the state. I understand ukuthi if you know ukuthi into awuyichunanga and you are not gonna be afraid to even go to court. You know like I remember mangifika prison baze bangitshela ukuthi wena uyislima wena. Uhamba kanjani ecourt ukwazi ukuthi bafuna ukugweba. Ngithi hayi mfowethu mina I've got nothing to run away from. Ngizobaleka kuze kube nini. Ngizobabona nini abantwana bami mangihlezi ngingobalekayo. And what example am I setting to my children? And mina igama lami udela kufa ayikho impe engiyisabayo. Yonke into ngiyibheka nje. Ngaphakama ngahamba ngayo ecourt. Ngayobhekana nayo lento lena. Benza bayenza yonke into abayenzayo. Yebo. And I took it like a man. Intando ukuthi ngi-refer to I know ukuthi namanje lokho uzibuza hey Butwaro can refer to Tupac ngivele ngithi 5 shots couldn't drop me. I took them and I smiled. Yeah, so like whatever they threw against me, 20 months couldn't hurt me. I took them and I smiled. No, like it hurt me, young limaza mfowethu. So ngithanda ukuthi ne feed me to the lions, yes. And I'll come back leading the pack. I am the Colombian Catalina that grows on rocky ground. That is me. Yabona, Dela Gofa. One man, one leg, half steel machine. Mawufika bakufika mfethu I still remember like next thing sengise tracking. We're headed to the prison yabona. So ngena mawufika uthole some interesting characters mfethu mawubona like even iface ubona ama wrong turn hayi ukuthi ngikhuluma kabi ngabanye phela uyazi abantu wena onoma yini ohlezi ubabona ubasaba noma nawe uyihambele yo mfethu like you know like they were guys like abona ubona ukuthi no lo mjida no like une life then ubone lo mdala onakana life kukhona abanye vele bengafuni ukukhuluma na anyone. Next thing you're in this truck, you're in a prison truck, Sebankapa, and you're now on the freeway, you're heading to the prison. You know, like my whole life has always got a soundtrack. Yeah, Kumbula, the only song that I could hear playing in my head was Sizonqoba by Uzola, I understand. I remember Nyakumbula cleaning a Pansikwetafula, yabona. Yeah. So like Gwadlala Uzola Sizonqoba in my head. You know, I'm frustrated, my blood like yabona at one stage being asaboni like it was blood ebusweni bami. I actually thought like ngicabanga ukuthi that day I was going to die. And every scene that I've watched on series and I've seen on movies, ngase ngibona isenzeka la ku. After having watched into ezifana nabo Boondocks, so bona uthi yo die lento hey kwasuka lokho. Ngazama ukusiqinisa mfethu ngafika yo next thing mawufika. To be honest with you, there were guys who were being told to take off your clothes when you walk into that machine. Kumele ukhumule impahla usifake emshinini uyozithatha the other side. And mina mfethu like naturally I'm not a stubborn person kodwa in nonsense angeke. Hayi ngcono ngibulale. Yabona when it reaches to a certain point in your life, you have to be a man. You rather kill me than humiliate me. I'm already humiliated. You want to humiliate me further ungikhombisa impahla phambi kwabo sisengabazi. Angeke. Sengayishona ngisona istripper mina. Angihlanye futhi njalo. Ngazalwa ngabikwa nginesibongo mina. Esinesithakazelo futhi ngeke uzungijunisa nonsense. Ngayala. Bathi hey bakhuluma. Kwaba khona isection e1 yavela athi ngeke sijune lo mbhedo thina. Bagcina bebona ukuthi hayi yabona sokunabantu abayi20 abangathi abafuna ukubamba umshini. Bangathi bafuna ukusithusela bayakhuluma becabanga ukuthi sizontshintsha umqondo. Beza sebaphethe nama button stick yonke into engibona umuntu wafika ngelanga lakhe lokucala bamnyathela. Sengitshela ukuthi ngizothoba amanxeba phezulu kwalamanxeba enginawo. Bangibuza ukuthi manje le walking stick oyiphethe ngeyani? Usho ukuthi uzongena lana ne walking stick. Ngambuza ukuthi mawunayo into yokuhambisa noma une wheelchair noma uzongaya ama crutch ayikho inkinga. Kodwa ngiphethe ngale nduku ngoba ngithanda ukuthi ngizibonakalise. Ngiphethe le nduku because I've got a problem. I'm injured, ngilimele. And angilimele physically, I'm also emotionally injured, yabona. So there's nothing that you can do to me that has never been done to me before. I know the feeling of pain. I know what it feels like to wake up with a fractured leg and to wake up with fractured ribs and to wake up with a fractured hand. What can you do to me with a button stick? Kodwa kunento eyiwani igama engalikhuluma ngabona bengibheka. Ngamtshela ukuthi wenza sure ukuthi ungangishaya ungibulale ngoba yamadoda ayiphele. Bagcina bethaya hamba wena. Bangidedela nginjalo na walking. Yebo ngangihamba naye walking. Yebo bengihamba ne walking stick yabo. Mina bengihamba nge walking stick. I was one of the few inmates who used to be seen ngihambela nge walking stick. Ngoba ngaze ngahlangana naye umbaba umphathi ngamchazela ukuthi yabona le walking stick yami I know you have never had a single incident ngayo ukuthi kuyashaya umuntu or mina ngeke ngaba in any altercation. Wathi no anginankinga nayo mina, I'm just surprised but it's fine ngoba endinhlanhla mina bayongihlalisa ehospital section. Ngizange saba like kwamanye ama section ngayohlala nabantu abakhubazekile nabantu abalimele nabantu abagulayo. Ngaze ngayiceda le sentence yami ngihlalela neguli nami. There were a couple of incidents ongangokuthi like yebo be like, to be honest there's so many things that I heard about jail and mina nami like I used to hear them as rumors within the jail system. And obviously mababuya abanye umuntu enenxeba lokuthi bamgwazile uyambona because they come to the hospital section. Kodwa ngeke ngisho mina ukuthi ngayibona le ukuthi no, I witnessed it with my own eyes, you understand? There were separate incidents here and there. Ubona umuntu obvious ashawa ngempama noma abanye bamgibele ngebutton stick. Kodwa like most of the time like those were like once, like I can even count less than 3 times, you understand? And now you could see at some stage somebody has got to put his foot down, yabona. And like mina mfowethu, I wouldn't want to lie to you ukuthi like abantu bakhuluma ngama jail rape abantu bakhuluma ngalokho yabona ngento ye gangsterism bengihlezi ngisizwa ngihlezi ngibabona noma bakhuluma nangeringers yabo yabona kodwa ukuthi like ngayibona mina isenze I never got to see that but obvious when you sit namajita and the other thing don't forget I was in a medium facility not in a maximum so the only people who used to give us all these stories are people from a maximum prison masesihleli sesixoxa and you know you get to know each other as people ukuthi know mfowethu mina ngubani ngihlala kuphi kanje you understand so ngeke like ngifike lana ekhaya namhlanje ngoba sesikwi podcast sokumele ngikhuluma amanga angeke ngikhuluma amanga mina mfethu ukuthi ngikutshela ukuthi hayi bayenze pick up the soap kune vaseli yabona ngibonanga yonke lento nami ngizwa ngayo like ngifana njengawe kodwa mina the only difference is I was behind there in shade yabona yona akusindawe right like to be honest yakubulala ingqondo like ukuthi ukuhlezi uvalelekile yabona mfethu ukhumbule mfethu bekubona usukhumbula uzukhumbule nento edomo mfethu ichapisi istop ukhumbule ukuthi umuntu wagcina nini ukudla ama chips nje kuphela just nje ama chips mfethu ukhumbule uzukhumbule nama keep like to be honest yikho ngafunda khona like I always tell people like I've mentioned before in jail mfethu kunabantu in society kunabantu in as much as just because you have not been arrested it does not mean that you don't commit crimes there are people who commit crimes out there abahamba bebhadala itshontsho kunabantu just because you got away with a crime it does not mean that you're not a criminal you understand and there are people in jail kukhona abantu ababhedala the people who are raw nonsense nje ungafuni ukubabona ungabafuni naphansi kwakho kunabanye abantu abanalanto ukuthi bafuna ukuthi bona you understand just like you know in life everywhere kunabantu abahamba bafuna ukuqhwaga abanye they were there there were some who tried their luck with me kodwa they failed bangitshela ukuthi nginenkani bazongisolva ngabatshela ukuthi seningenza noma yini bangitshela ukuthi ke bazobuya negangsterism labo ngabatshela ayikhululeka mina ngwakasithola isibongo you can do whatever you want kodwa wenze sure ukuthi ungangibulali ungidle inyama yami ngoba iyami igazi lizokhuluma there but there was never something really that and I made sure bekunama Grootman who always made sure ukuthi ungasijwayeli kaba awuhlukane phansi no job ungafuni ukuthi sikwenze into engeke uyithande yabona and I was lucky ukuthi bekunama Grootman were looking out for me you understand yes. Just like there are good people out here there are good people in jail as well kunabantu abawenzile amacala yebo like they did the severe crimes but you can tell ukuthi they got their rehabilitation. I'll never speak for other people, but I'll speak of what I experienced with these people, you understand? Besinokuhlala sikhuluma umuntu akusela ukuthi bengishuna kanje ngishuna kanje kodwa nontwana akumelanga wena uthwala ubunzima yabona umuntu ayenze sure yonke into yakwenzela then abanye obvious masibheka uyizo uzibuza ukuthi lo muntu waba so kind kumina yini afuna ukungenza yona yabona suyitshela ukuthi hawu shuthi lo muntu ufuna ukwenza intombi yakhe ejele into ezinjalo kodwa still ubona ukuthi lo muntu uyachubeka like and they always say in life there are what I call lovable characters. It's either umuntu like you know like everyone carries a spirit and it depends on what type of spirit you have. Like mina, I always bring smiles to people, I always bring joy to people and I seem to have achieved that even when I was there. And I was lucky enough ukuthi mina umuntu othanda incwadi kakhulu, thanda ukusifundela incwadi. Into engayibuza amaqala mabangitshela ngesentence lami ngithi sharp, where do I find the library like her? Next thing ngayo join the library. Ngaqala ukusifundela incwadi. Ngafuna nje my diary and ngaqala ukubhala nje nge-experience lami for the whole court. And you know, I started researching so many topics, you understand? And the other thing I wanted to, I was researching was men's lives matter too, you understand? and then that's when you get to find out ukuthi especially cases like when you look at when they did stats yabona, and actually proved ukuthi cases involving relationships or women or domestic issues, 60% of them are actually false allegations. That's when you realize ukuthi oh kanti labantu bayasithanda kodwa bengasithandi. I'll be honest with you, there are women who can't see you as a human being. To them you just money. Uma kubhekile nje ubona imali kuwe, ufuna nje into yokuthenga, maye kubona nje ufuna ukuthi umthengele something. You understand? Bengize ngihleka yesterday ukuthi like ngiposte isithombe esine caption ukuthi lo bhuti sebamfake evenini kodwa intombi yakhe yahobe efesterini ithi manje ngoba usuboshiwe ngizodlani ngicela ungithumele i-wallet of 500. And mfethu, I'll be honest with you, there are good women out there. Akazi kunabanye abosisi mfethu, it's just that they are not enough to go around all of us, kodwa bakhona, and bakhona ababhedayo, and namajita khona amajita abhedayo, and kunamajita agood. So like I had a chance, and like I managed to get through ngakhuluma nama officials, especially ama officials in the library, and namely I would like ukuthi ngibonge kakhulu like lama time abayibo abababheke, you know, like i-library ne ubaba uMlife nobaba uShibambu ne, you know, they'll be like no, it's fine, bangivumela ukuthi ngibe se library, bangivumela ukuthi ngihlale ngenze i-research yami, ngaqala nje ukubhala, ngaba nethuba lokuthi at least ngikwazi ukuhlala ecomputerni, ngikwazi ukuthi ngitransfere ama notes wami, ngaqala ukutype. So when everyone else beka busy ngokuthi kunabantu abakutshela ukuthi bona bayahlanganisa, umuntu ekhuluma ngokuhlanganisa inyama ejele, ucabanga umuntu ona 40 years usacabanga inyama, thina sinengane ngaphandle lana, umuntu akutshela ukuthi yena uyahlanganisa, ehlanganisa ugwaye ukuthi abheme. Yabona umuntu ahlanganisa amakhekhe, umuntu ubona ukuthi sometimes we have got people with primitive minds. Umuntu akutshela ukuthi uyaspina kodwa espina into engeke uzibuza ukuthi umdala ungaka ukuthi uyaspina wena uspinana nogwaye ejele. Ingane zakho zilele ezidleni wena ucabanga ugwaye. Ngahlala mina mfethu ngayibhalela incwadi yami, and like I even came up with the title. That's when I called it the Audible Silence. Angithi yayibona iyona incwadi ithi Audible Silence, and then 221-390-170 is actually my prison number.
Oh.
Yabona, and you call incwadi Audible Silence, it's in his own words.
Yeah.
Yasho ngaphansi, men's lives matter too.
Yes.
And then there's this name, people are surprised, but what's up with Amarusi Magate Mohammed? So le ncwadi yami, as I was saying, I not only used to research by reading books, I used to research by talking to people as well. Yabona, abantu bakhulume nge-life in general, and I met so many people who were in the same situation as me. So I decided to instead of making this thing about me and everything about me, how about I come up with a character who represent all the different stories in one? And that's when Ngabuya now Amaru, you understand, to come and say, okay, this is the poet guy, you understand?
Yes.
And he represents what? He represents the other type of religion as well, which is Islam, yabon. And then when they came up with Usimagati, which was to bring it back home, yabon. And then Ilekama, it represents the Nguni language, yabon. And it also represents abantu abakwi Christianity, you understand? And then I decided to close it off with the surname Muhammad, yabon. To say ukuthi today I'm going to do something engakazi yenzeke. I'm going to unite the Christians and the Muslims. Yabon. And at the end of the day, we are humans before we are religions. We are humans before we are tribes. We are humans before we are even countries. We are humans before we are even skin pigmentation. At the end of the day, singabantu before everything else. You know, this life esiphilayo, we have got so many ways of trying to discriminate each other. You know, if we stopped working so hard in order to, you know, ukuthi ngizobuya ngithi ha wena udark ebusweni low light, hayi uzobona umuntu sebiza omunye ngamagama, you understand. Next thing, we're always looking for things to really hurt one another, ne? You know, we've got capitalists, we have got racists, we have got tribalists. Instead of all these is why don't we come up with isms, nice names, like Ubuntuism, humanism, you understand? And stop fighting one another. Feminist. Come and practice feminism, not being a feminist. Because feminism is about understanding Ogotiwena, you are a female, you understand? And when you're a female amongst men, it does not mean you take advantage of being a female amongst men. You unite. So with my book, it was to point out the pain I feel and to say, listen, this is what I went through. This is the pain I went through, you know. And I opened it like by taking it home. I feel ngabuza into eyi-1. Isintu sithi inhliziyo ayiphakelwa. Kodwa mina ngalitheza linenkume. Bengithi ngigawulinduke enhle ezizweni. Isinqanda mathi intombi ezintombini. Kanti ngihlangane nembila sithutha ziholwa ngemhlophe phambili. Noma waphindelela esho futhi. Mntanami isitshe sisathedlela. Ngoba ngisala kutshelo zange ngamlalela. And like one person I would like to really thank kakhulu is Utiako Philemon Chali. You know, he runs an NGO. Yeah. And he also acts on a House of Sweet and is an actor in Nagui Sam. He acts as detective on Port series. Yeah. Uchali. You know, this guy, he went all out. He even edited the book. He went all out. He even got copies printed. He even got us help from the National Arts Council. Yeah, but and I always tell you, with rehabilitation is there, ne? And there are ways that they will assist you. But the problem with it, we always want, but we never give. I gave something and they gave back something to me again. Yonincwadi, basically I've been the one who's pushing it. What I do, uyangithumela email or uyangfonela, I organize you a copy and I courier it through to you. So like kubalula when you send me the cash for the copy and the courier, nyayifaka and you receive it and I track it until those return. And usually I've been using Pep Courier kahle, which is the easiest because that shop is there almost everywhere. Yeah. And to be honest, the most people who have bought a copy of this book are women. Yeah, because like the easiest thing is when you email me, yes. It's Gwazi, ne? Yes. KWAZI. At jobenation.co.za. Yeah, Jobenation is a simple JOBE nation. You understand? Yeah. .co.za, and then like WhatsApp, and so and no more ungathanda ufuna ukungifonela. 071 985 2814. Mpinde futhi 071 985 2814. Yabona isimple kanjalo.
Awakho mfethu ukugcina nawe umuntu esilisa unenkinga efana neyakho nawe umuntu usefuthatha umphethu abaningi ngabhekane nazo noma iziphi ngathini
like basically bengizovala nje kuphela ngeve like just the back of my book, synopsis, you understand? Just nje ukuthi ngithi Ever heard of the saying, whatever doesn't kill you only makes you stronger? Guess what? I have enough reason to be regarded half man, one leg, stainless steel machine and Superman. A survivor of note, thanks to the gods of Al-Kabulan. Backstabbed and even backstabbed with a kitchen knife. Betrayed, character assassinated, and humiliated in some of the newspapers, not forgetting radio stations. Shot at, misused several times, foiled insurance fraud, murder attempt, car hijacked and robbed, car accident and a coma, severe hypertension and suicidal thoughts, denied rights to fatherhood. I survived falsified and dismally failed prison term at the hands of toxic femininity. Look, I took it and I smiled. What could be worse?